This is our login page. For first-time users, please click on the black banner called Applicants, Partners and Agents, as you won't yet have had a password. You will need to reset your password and it will prompt you for a username which will be your 8-digit student number. It will email you a temporary password, and the first time you log in again, it will prompt you to change the password. Once logged in, you will come to this page which gives you your basic details: name, date of birth, email, address and phone number. You cannot update anything here. You will need to do this through UCAS. Further down we have the applications. It always opens up the top one, but these can be closed here. You can see there are two applications here. Please look at the application you have accepted. If you are uploading documents, please do it on the active application. Here we have the course, what the offer is, and if there were any offer conditions, they would be listed here. You can't accept through here, you will need to do it on your UCAS hub. My events will only show if you have an interview coming up. You can accept it here or you can on your UCAS hub. If you don't have any interviews, this button will be here, but it won't show anything when you click on it. If you need to upload documents, you do that here where it says Action Required. You can see here that Level 2 GCSE English Language and Level 2 GCSE Maths are required. Your scan can upload by clicking Upload. You need to have the document stored on your phone or on your laptop. Click on the Upload button and browse your computer. If it's on a phone, you can upload it from a mobile by clicking this button, and it gives you a scan QR code to click on. Select the document you wish to upload and it shows the file here, waiting to upload. Now you need to upload it. By clicking the button, you can see if it has successfully uploaded. It shows here that your file is successfully uploaded with the 100% marking. After you have done this, click Next and wait. It now shows here that something has uploaded with the 100% marker. You can still delete it if you need to. Repeat the process for the other certificates. Click Back. If you have a fee status questionnaire to complete, click on it and it will start and work your way through the questions. They are populated depending on the answers you give. Click Back. You may get asked to upload documents such as passports and visas, so please have these documents ready on your device. There won't be anything to do on the deposits or repayments page. If you have a question for us, click on the Contact Us button, which will open an email. This will come to our admissions team. You can also upload files if you have any queries. Click back to return to the main page. Finally, you need to log out at the top on the right-hand side.